this episode of Make It Real, we're testing this awesome Iron Man rocket launcher made by my friend Jairus. We're going to test the Iron Man rocket launcher for the first time.
I'm a little bit worried about that.
Feel it on your face? Yeah. Woo! That's red hot. Woo! All right, so the last rocket got a little jammed inside the launching mechanism, but we think it was actually a problem with the rocket itself. So we've double checked this next one and we're gonna go on with testing. What should I do if that happens again?
Stand there and pray. We haven't had a whole lot of luck with him shooting it, so I'm gonna try it once and hopefully I'll actually get it to go somewhere instead of just into the ground. It went somewhere. It's almost entirely out of Kydex. It has a servo actuated launcher system and it shoots actual solid fuel rockets from it, unlike most other ones that you see that just shoot fireworks. In order to build the rockets that are ammunition for this, take this piece and you cut out a bunch of fins from plastic soda bottle material so that they can squish down and fit inside the launcher. The process of cutting the fins is extremely time consuming.
I don't know what he's talking about. These are pretty quick to cut out.
Oh, come on! That's how you make fins for these things. Really?
So that was pretty awesome. The mechanism works great. It opens and closes beautifully, and the ignition system works pretty much perfectly. But
the only problem is the rockets are extremely inconsistent in how they fly. And my part 2, I tried to make them fly right in tests, and they worked really well then, but obviously something changed between then and now.
But all in all, I'd say it was a pretty successful project, and it was friggin' awesome being able to throw my arm up and shoot rockets just like Iron Man.